Welcome to Car Magica, your destination for in-depth reviews, expert insights, and the latest updates on cars, luxury RVs and motorhomes. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Renegade Motorhome, a rugged yet refined powerhouse that blends off-grid capabilities with high-end comfort. Known for building heavy-duty, custom-built motorhomes, Renegade continues to push boundaries in the RV industry, offering a vehicle that's made for adventurers who don't want to compromise on luxury. The 2025 Renegade Motorhome commands attention with its bold, truck-based design and purposeful stance. Built on a robust Freightliner or Volvo chassis, it features a high ground clearance, full-body paint with dynamic graphics, and integrated awnings for shade and style. The front end is defined by its aggressive grille, LED lighting system, and large panoramic windshield, giving it a modern and imposing road presence. Powering this beast is a commercial-grade diesel engine, typically a Cummins, ISL, or Detroit DD13, delivering impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring it handles mountainous terrain and long hauls with ease. Paired with an Allison automatic transmission and an advanced air suspension system, the ride remains smooth and stable, whether you're driving on highways or off the beaten path. With optional four-wheel drive and massive towing capacity, this motorhome is perfect for hauling ATVs, boats, or even a full-size trailer. Inside, the 2025 Renegade offers a premium living experience tailored for serious travelers. The cabin is appointed with solid hardwood cabinetry, residential-grade furniture, and high-quality flooring. Layouts vary, but each includes a spacious lounge with power recliners or a leather sofa, a dinette, and a gourmet kitchen featuring a full-size refrigerator, convection microwave, induction cooktop, and solid surface countertops. The bedroom offers a relaxing retreat with a king or queen bed, large wardrobe, and reading lights. Many models also feature a washer-dryer combo and multiple slide-outs that significantly expand interior space. The bathroom is outfitted with a glass-enclosed shower, porcelain toilet, and designer fixtures. Technology plays a key role in the Renegade experience. A digital control panel allows users to manage lighting, HVAC tank levels, and generator status with ease. Entertainment is covered with multiple smart TVs, a high-quality sound system, and satellite or 5G internet connectivity. Solar panels, lithium battery systems, and auto-start generators make boondocking more accessible than ever, allowing for extended off-grid stays without sacrificing comfort. Safety and security are also top-tier. The 2025 model includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear and side view cameras, and advanced braking systems, fire suppression systems, tire pressure monitoring, and real-time GPS tracking provide extra peace of mind, whether you're parked or in motion. The 2025 Renegade Motorhome is more than just an RV. It's a mobile command center for luxurious exploration. Designed for long-term travel and full-time living, it brings together durability, advanced tech, and comfort in a way few motorhomes can. If you enjoyed this full review, make sure to give the video a like and hit that subscribe button for more high-end motorhome features, expert insights, and exclusive walkthroughs. You're watching Car Magica, your ultimate source for everything on wheels, from supercars to supercoaches.